In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious cheesy puff pastry recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need puff pastry, Gouda cheese block sliced, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and 1 egg beaten. We're going to take out 1 sheet of the puff pastry. In the center of the pastry sheet, we're going to add in our sliced Gouda block. Sprinkle on mozzarella cheese. We're going to create cuts on each side of the puff pastry. We're going to fold in each of the cuts we made. Transfer it to a baking sheet. We're going to brush on our beaten egg. Sprinkle on the sesame seeds. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our cheesy puff pastry is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.